Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have some DESTASH boxes to share. I received from Luisa, who is KSP by Luisa here on YouTube. And I have two to share with you from her. And she had a DESTASH recently, and I purchased two from her. So I'm about to share it. I just opened it up, and here's that glitter, what are these? Felt that she had in her stash. Got that in here. And then I got these floral centers. There's like spray. It's for your flowers and stuff. That's cool. That is cool. And then I got some ribbon. This one is barely used. Wow, nice. I like that. It's kind of like a vanilla color, if that is a color. It's like off-white or something. So that's cool. And then she's got this. This is from Dollar Tree, the mesh. That was from like Thanksgiving. And then she said these were from, I want to say Dollar Tree, but my Dollar Tree never got it. It's almost like the pipe cleaner or the chenille stems, but it's the furry stuff. So that's cool also. Let me move this box over. Whoops. And then this one is the Ornament, and this is a smaller size. So it's about 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches, and you got the back and the front on that one. That's another cool item. I like that. And then she had some trim, this purple trim, lavender trim. I can't talk, guys, I'm sorry, but I love this. I love purple, any shade of purple. Purple, my favorite color. And then they had wooden words. So that's cute. I think there was a word here, but she used it. So shine, peace, and happy. That is cool. Yeah. And then I got interrupted there, but mainly I got this package for the Ephemera. It's a whole pack of like florals and die cuts and some words and some frames, and I don't want to open it right now because there's a bunch in this pack. Okay, and then she's got some tags and some moths or butterflies. So that'll be cool too. Make more new stuff. And she also has like these little Tic Tac type containers. It's nice to put like glitter in and stuff like that. See, and they're little tiny ones. They're really small. Look at how big that is. Okay. And then there's also a funnel she added into that one. So that's cool. Don't mind if I do. Then she has the folk art metallic pure gold. So she included that one. That's cool. I could use that. And let's see, here's more trim that she let go of. Look at this, it's so pretty. It's like a pink pearlescent. Yeah, very cute. Love it. I don't have a lot of trim, so this is the best way to build your stash, guys. Look for all those DESTASH. And then she also included the bottle lights. This one's white, and I think there's only one color. Yeah, there were others, and this is from Dollar Tree also. There were other colorful ones too, but I don't mind at all. And then she also put some Velcro rounds, also from Dollar Tree. These are good for like the paper crafts that we do here on my channel. We do the swaps. And this little teeny tiny tote bag, we can what do you call that, embellish. And then a little jar. This one I believe is from Dollar Tree. if I'm not mistaken, but it's cute because then you can use it to, I like, I would like to make one of those, not a terrarium, but you know what I'm talking about, a scenery in there. That'll be cute. And there's a bag of embellishments, and they're like plastic. Some are plastic and some are like plaster, the plaster ones. So this one, that is cute. And there's a little cherub right here, like an ornament. That's cute too. And there's these little blue hearts. These are plastic. Very cute. Oh gosh, guys, I am sorry. I don't know why I keep going over here. My camera set up different today, but they're flat back hearts with the little arrows. And then there's the little doves right there. Very pretty. Those would be fun to use to embellish. Okay, so that is what comes in it. And then there's some pretty frames. Oh my gosh. Oh, if I can get it open. Where's the opening? I see it, but I can't. Oh, it's the other way. Sorry guys for the crinkling, but look at this little tiny vial. It has a little cork top on it. Very cute. Cute to embellish. And there's these little frames. Oh, very pretty. Very, very pretty. You see that? I love that. Thank you, Luisa. Very affordable, guys. Best way that I have learned to build my stash, because imagine going buying these things individually. Cute, cute little plastic shoe. I don't know what I would do with that, but it's there for the use. And then this little black frame, picture frame, cute. I don't know where she got this one, but this is not a Dollar Tree item, at least I don't recall. All right, and there's a bunch of cupcake liners. Very good for our little wands and embellishments that we can make with that. And here is a little plaster wing. Oh, it's a trinket tray. It's only $1.50. That's cute. A little angel wing. And she said on her video that she doesn't use it as a tray, but this is cute. I like that. Whoops. It's got little black around the edges, painted black. Very pretty. I like that right there. I can get rid of that thing. Then there's a bag of pink flowers and some cluster sprays. Oh, these are pretty. Really cute. So this one, oh, the gem just came out, but you can put it back. Very pretty. It's a little spray of pearly type flowers. You can add to the center of your flowers. Oh gosh, it doesn't want to stay, but we can fix it. We can fix everything. There's some teeny tiny bows in here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Teeny tiny pink bows. It's as big as my fingernail. Cute. Oh yeah, oh, there's some different size bows. There you go. So you have that size, and then look at how small that is. Look at that, is tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. Okay. And then there are these little gems. Very cute. I like that. Pretty. More sprays. More sprays to use. And then there's these little pearls. Looks like an antique gold. Very pretty. And more flowers with the little sprays. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Pretty, pretty. Everything's pretty. And here's a little rose with some leaves, pink rose. Very cute. And you can spray it out. I mean, not spray it out, but you know what I mean. Fluff it. And that's it. That was the bows. Okay. And then she gave me a stack of her chenille stems. These are cute colors. Fun, fun, fun to play with. Although I have a huge collection of my own, I don't have pastel-y colors like that. And then just a little baggie of craft sticks. Those are always handy. Handy, handy. And more straws. Oh, the unicorns. There's unicorn straws in here. Oh my goodness. And there's some rainbows. There's some stars, some sprinkles. Very pretty. Nice. Thank you very much, Luisa. And the last item in here is the altar clock. So let me see, because I never seen one. So this is a Tim Holtz altar clock. Yep, very cool. Nice. Look at that. I guess it's ready to use, you know. And I'm assuming you pop this out. Oh yeah, there you go. Take the lid out off the back, and there's glass there, and it looks just like a clock, guys. And I think you make a scenery inside the clock and on the outside and all that stuff, all that jazz. That'd be cute. Put some confetti up in there. That is cute. I like that. Imagine altering this and putting it up in the craft room. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Can't wait. I will not start this project until I move because there's just so many things going on right now in the process of getting ready to PCS. People are like, you got a long time before you go, you know, it's time for you to PCS or whatever. But no, the days start to run away, people. You don't have as much time as you think. So, okay, even though I'm building my stash, it doesn't matter. All right, so that's box number 1, and I'll come back and share with you box number 2.